Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We are pleased to inform you that we will be participating as a supporting sponsor in the upcoming DigiCon India Summit, which is happening in Gurgaon on November 13th and 14th. The venue is the Taj City Center in Gurgaon, and we will be there with our entire team, and we look forward to meeting you there. We especially look forward to showcase our newly launched BricsCAD V26, the new CAD Power V26, and the accompanying vertical add-on products we have like AX3000 for MEP Bing. Digital construction is the buzzword today, and more digital practices are coming into play in the construction industry. And we at DesignSense and Brixis are totally committed towards this goal. Our CAD Power software also offers you a huge number of productivity tools and AI-enabled links which enable you to do quantification, estimates, BOMs, BOQs with ease. So come and do meet us in this conference in Gurgaon to know more about what you can do at really affordable budget. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.